Sentence structure. First noun. Next.
は
Next. Second noun. End of the sentence.
です。
How to use this sentence.
The most basic and simple sentence pattern. Shows the content of the topic mentioned. The particle wa is placed after the subject in the sentence. Read as wa. The suffix desu is placed after the noun as the object in the sentence. Ending in the present tense, polite form. Example.
私は山田です。
First noun is watashi. Particle wa. Second noun is yamada. Desu is used at the end. In this sentence, the noun watashi is described by the second noun.
Now we speak the special note about this sentence pattern. First one. Used to introduce names.
私は田中です。
I'm Tanaka. Second one. Used to introduce age.
妹は8歳です。
My sister is 8 years old. Third one. Used to introduce profession.
父は会社員です。
My father is a company employee. Fourth one. Used to introduce nationality.
リンさんはベトナム人です。
Mr. Lin is Vietnamese. Let's practice using this phrase with questions.
Correct answer is.
私はベトナム人です。
Correct answer is.
山田さんは日本人です。
Correct answer is.
兄は医者です。
Correct answer is.
ワットさんはイギリス人です。
Correct answer is.
ナムさんは学生です。
Correct answer is.
ミラーさんはアメリカ人です。
Correct answer is.
カリナさんは中国人です。
Correct answer is.
父は会社員です。
Correct answer is.
妹は8歳です。
Correct answer is.
キムさんは韓国人です。